Welcome back, ambitious entrepreneurs. This is the second video of the Business Tracker Lite tutorial series, your free Google Sheets tool designed to help you track sales, expenses, payments, and inventory all in one place. If you missed the first video, kindly check it out first. It explains how the tracker is structured. In this tutorial, we are going to be using the desktop version of the tracker. It is going to give you the full layout and best experience for setup. There is also a mobile version, but we are going to be covering that later on. Now to get started, go to the description of this video or the previous video. Then click the link for the desktop version of the tracker. Once you click the link, it is going to open a preview of the tracker in view-only mode. You then click File, make a copy, and you can rename it something like My Business Tracker or possibly something that fits your business. Then you click OK. So once your copy opens, the next step is to initialize the tracker so all triggers and auto ID features work correctly. So you go to the top menu, click Extensions, select App Scripts. When this opens, make sure you are in the Initialize Template mode. You will see it listed at the top of the script page. So you click the Run button at the top, very close to that Initialize Template mode. You click the Run button. So once that is done, Google will now ask you to review permissions. This is completely normal. So you click Review Permissions, then select your Google account. So once you do that, the next thing is to click Advanced. When you click Advanced, then you click Business Tracker Lite Edition ID Autogen Templates on Save. So Google labels this unsafe simply because the script wasn't published on the official marketplace, but your tracker is completely safe to use. So kindly bear that in mind. So after that, check select all, then you click continue. So once you click continue, now depending on your internet speed, this setup might take a few minutes. Sometimes it might take up to 8 to 10 minutes depending on how fast your internet speed is. Now, if you see a message after the time has run out, if you see a message like error or exceeded maximum execution time, you don't have to bother yourself. That is perfectly fine. So to confirm that the initialization is complete, all you need to do is to go back to your main sheet. You're going to see a pop-up message that says initialization complete. Just click OK and you are good to go. Now that the initialization process is complete, we can now proceed to personalizing your tracker. So to do this, go to the Settings tab, choose your preferred currency symbol. So any symbol that you select here is going to automatically reflect in all the tabs. So, and if you also want, you can also customize your auto ID formats for each of the tabs. Although there is a default format that has been preset, you can leave the default formats as they are. So they are already professionally set up, and if you choose to, you can always adjust them anytime later. But it is always advisable that you should set a format before you start entering any data on any of the tabs. And that's it. Your tracker is now fully initialized and ready for use. So in the next video, we are going to start entering data in the Sales tab, where all your revenue records will go. So if you found this video helpful, Kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Share this tool with other entrepreneurs who will benefit from a free and simple business tracker. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video.